Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper at a Cut File Shop, where I'm going to use this lovely cut file, which is from one of her, I think it was November's collection last year. It's a barrel of apples, I think is what it's called, but I'll link it all down below. And then this is the picture I am going to use, and it is of candied apples while we were in Savannah. And I am using the kit from the How to Kill a Kit from Style. I'm using that kit to use it up. So I am thinking of going like so. I'll put it around, and I'm thinking of kind of attaching it right here. And I was going to put my title there. And that's kind of how I was going to roll with it. So let's see how we can make this work.
Hello, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life. And just as I explained in the beginning portion of this, I want to give you guys a full disclosure here. I ended up getting what most teachers call the back to the school cold, cough, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to go as long as I possibly can. This process video should have been up a long time ago, and I couldn't get it up because I had this cold. I couldn't talk. I felt like junk. And yeah, so I finally am getting some breather moments here, and I'm slowly getting back up to par. I'm good. I didn't get like sick, but it was enough to take me down for a hot minute. And I don't ever get sick. Like, y'all, like I have allergies, and sometimes you'll hear me say, okay, I don't have a voice, and and then kind of go from there, right? Well, I ended up getting it. I don't know. Ugh, it was a mess, but my class came in with it hardcore. So, but I am trying to weather through it and trying to get this done. So I did use How to Kill a Kit with Style kit, and I backed the cut file already, as I told you guys in the beginning. And my title is going to be Candied Apples, because it's kind of like the candied apples. This picture is from Savannah, down while we were in Savannah over the summer, 2 years ago, or last year. And it was part of the Savannah, I think it's called the Savannah Candy Company, I think is what it's called, and they were bringing these out to purchase. They were just cooling off, and they do like a candied apple where there's this dressing on it, and then there's like this another coating, and then this one was like out to sea. So I figured the barrel of, or the bushel of apples would be perfect for Virginia's cut, for cut file and for the photo, because it works out perfect. Excuse me, sorry. So that is what I'm going to do here, and pretty much this one went really quick for me. This is the one thing I love about cut files. Once you got your cut file done, then everything else is easy. I think all in all, this took me 30 minutes, but I swear it took me like days to get this done and up because of my, what I thought was allergies, then turned into a cold, then turned into me not being able to do and function anything, to let's try to get something done because school starts the next day type of thing. And yeah, so it was, I'm only in week 3, and I'm already ready for a break because I'm wanting the allergy stuff and the cold stuff to just disappear. So as you can tell, I am going through all of the embellishments for this kit, and I'm just getting everything up and ready to go for it, like what I want to put on there and like what ones would fit and work. I did glue off camera all of my stuff that I've already placed, because I know you guys have seen how to put down embellishments, so I was trying to save some time because I knew I would have to do a voiceover, and I can't talk as long right now. So yeah. So like I said, I'm in my 3rd week, or I'm going in. So when I do this voiceover and put this up is on a Sunday. The day before, I couldn't breathe, talk, whatever, and I just messaged Virginia, and I'm like, look, like, and normally I'm never late. Like, y'all know me. Like, I will tell you straight out to the to the 9. I'm never late on design teams, but this was a lot. So here I am. I'm just, going through. I had to let her know, hey, I'm going to be late. So this should have been up a while ago, but it's not. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just rounding out the end of it, just kind of adding different designs and stuff. And then that's pretty much it. The still shots are coming up. Like and subscribe to the channel. Everything is all linked down below. And I hope that you guys are all having a fantastic day. Y'all stay safe. Have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.